Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today I'm joined by the Penguin Sous Chef.
Hello.
What are we making today?
Sugar cookie bars.
Ooh, that sounds good. So to start with, we've got half a cup of butter in our mixing bowl, and what are we going to add to that?
1 cup of sugar. Then we mix it.
We got that all creamed up. What are we going to do now?
We're going to add 1 egg that has come up to room temperature. And a tablespoon of milk. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond extract.
And then we're going to mix that up. So we got that all mixed up. We're just going to scrape the sides a little. And then we're going to add 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour.
And 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
We have here our dough all mixed up. Right here we've got an 8x8 baking dish lined with parchment paper.
We're going to put the dough into the baking dish and smooth it out.
Make sure you get it spread all the way into the corners. That looks pretty good.
We're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While it's baking, we're going to make the icing.
Sounds like a plan. We've got in our bowl another 1/2 cup of butter. What are we going to add to that?
2 cups of confectioner sugar.
So we're going to mix that until it's nice and blended. Remember to scrape down the sides occasionally. So what do we add to that?
2 to 3 tablespoons of milk.
Add a little at a time until you get the right consistency. Once that's fluffy, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
All right, the icing looks pretty good. We just have to wait for our cookie bars to finish baking. So we've been letting this sit so that it could cool completely, which is what you want.
And now we're going to ice it.
All right, so once you got your icing all spread out, you can go ahead and decorate.
We're going to use festive holiday sprinkles.
Go ahead and use as much or as little as you want. Well, here they are, what are these again?
Sugar cookie bars.
Sugar cookie bars. Easy, soft, and delicious. Hey, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.